Welcome back to Click Choose, your go-to channel for the latest in mobile technology. Today we're diving into the exciting world of budget smartphones with a detailed review of the Realme C65. If you're on the hunt for an affordable device that doesn't skimp on features, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The Realme C65 is designed to offer excellent value for money in the budget smartphone segment. It promises a blend of performance, style, and functionality without breaking the bank. Let's break down what makes this phone a compelling choice for budget-conscious consumers. First up, let's talk about design. The Realme C65 boasts a sleek and modern look with its gradient back panel. The color options available are vibrant and eye-catching, giving the phone a youthful and dynamic appearance. The device is ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hand, thanks to its slim profile and rounded edges. The back panel is constructed from high-quality plastic, which mimics the feel of glass while maintaining durability. The phone is lightweight, making it easy to carry around and use for extended periods without fatigue. Now let's discuss the display. The Realme C65 features a 6.5-inch HD IPS LCD screen. This large display offers a resolution of 720x 1600 pixels, providing crisp and clear visuals for everyday use. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or playing games, the screen delivers vibrant colors and decent brightness levels. The display also includes a water drop notch at the top for the front-facing camera, which helps maximize screen real estate for an immersive viewing experience. Under the hood, the Realme C65 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G35 processor. This octa-core chipset is designed to handle everyday tasks with ease, including social media browsing, light gaming, and multitasking. Paired with up to 8 GB 8 GB of RAM, the phone offers smooth performance for its class. For storage, the Realme C65 provides up to 256 GB of internal space, which can be expanded further with a microSD card. This ample storage capacity ensures you have plenty of room for your apps, photos, and videos. Let's move on to the camera system. The Realme C65 comes equipped with a dual camera setup on the rear. The primary sensor is a 50MP camera that captures sharp and detailed photos in various lighting conditions. The secondary sensor is a 2MP depth sensor that helps create a bokeh effect for portrait shots. On the front, the phone features an 8MP selfie camera. This camera delivers decent performance for selfies and video calls, with options to enhance your images using beauty modes and filters. Battery life is another strong point of the Realme X65. It is equipped with a substantial 5000 mAh battery that ensures you can get through a full day of use without needing to recharge. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or simply browsing, the battery life is reliable and long-lasting. The phone supports standard 45W charging, which provides a reasonable charging speed to get your phone back up and running quickly. With this charging speed, you can significantly reduce downtime, allowing you to charge the battery from 0 to 100. This is particularly useful for users who are always on the go and need their phone ready at a moment's notice. On the software front, the Realme X65 runs on Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14. This user interface is designed to offer a smooth and intuitive experience, with various customization options and features to enhance usability. Additional features include a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking, as well as face unlock technology for added convenience. The phone also includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is becoming increasingly rare in modern smartphones. The Realme C65 is positioned as an affordable smartphone, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Its price point is competitive, offering great value considering the features and performance it delivers. For the latest pricing and availability in your region, be sure to check with local retailers or online stores. To wrap up, the Realme C65 is a standout option in the budget smartphone category. It combines a stylish design, a large display, decent performance, and solid battery life into a package that won't break the bank. Whether you're a student, a first-time smartphone user, or someone looking for a reliable backup device, the Realme C65 is worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Click Choose for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions about the Realme C65 or other smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.